Hello, Michael. It is 5 o'clock. It's been kind of spitting since about 9 o'clock this morning. As you can see, not much snow yet. Gonna take a little walk up here to the road. You can see what it looks like now. I'm gonna take some more pictures later and tomorrow so I can send to you. Not much to see but white. There's my rock wall. Here's our road. Really not very much. Mailbox. The house. It's a little bit windy. Not bad. Got my extra cordwood here. That'll get down next year. Lori's car. Brought the generator out so that if we need it, which we probably will, it'll be right there. Just have to plug it in. Hopefully it starts. It's a lot of time. That's our pellets for the pellet stove. Camper. Take a walk around the back. Treehouse Emily and I built. Maybe we've gotten 2 or 3 inches. Auto light. Backyard. The old compost pile. I got most of my wood down here for my wood stove. And not a hell of a lot to report, but I'm sure there will be. They're telling me that we're going to get 3-4 inches per hour starting around 8 o'clock tonight, and that'll go till tomorrow morning. They're expecting we're going to get 18 to 24 inches total. Backyard. Our sunroom. There's the pellet stove. Brought in a bunch of extra pellets. I'll be back. So here we are. It's probably 6:30. You can see maybe that the snow's picking up a little bit. I'm just out because my stupid dog has got himself tangled.
Yeah, let the dog in.
And then Emily let the dog in. Say hi, Emily.
What are you doing?
I'm videoing for Michael. What are you doing? What are you doing? So here we have it. You've heard of Teenage Wasteland. This is Winter Wasteland. Be back. So here we are, it's 11:15. It's still snowing. It's not snowing very much, but just this gives you an idea. Look at it's up to my knees. Oh geez, it's up to my knees. Look at that there behind my car. Look at the drifts. Here we go. Here we go. So this is going to take me a few hours to get my driveway done here. And the wind will be what makes it most fun. So got to even get to the shed here. You can see the dogs have been out. There's the backyard again. Michael, I don't know. I think you did the right thing to move to California. I'll be back. So this is what I have that I didn't have in the Blizzard of '78. First of all, I got my, it's an electric start. Since I hurt my shoulder a few years ago, this is the best thing since sliced bread. So, come over here, turn it to prime it a little bit. I'm not much of a machine guy, but I love this thing. Another thing I don't have, or didn't have in '78, is an iPod. But I'm listening to John Fogerty. We had him in the '70s. Okay, so now it's 4 in the afternoon. Storm's over. Here comes my neighbor. Dug my mailbox out. Dug my cars out. There's the house. Pretty windy still. It's about 12 degrees out. You can see it's up to about, oh gee, it's up to my knee. So, it wasn't the worst storm I've ever seen, but not very much traffic on the road. Good afternoon to stay in and take a nap. So, here comes Emily with the 2 dogs.
No, you don't, Rufus. Why are you taking a video?
Will you take a picture of the 3 of us next to the snow line?
Sure. Missed you. Would have been nice if you'd been here hanging out with me. See ya. Bye.